Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and once again, we're back together. So, today we are looking at inequalities. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just make sure you are part of this family, right? And we will continue to give you some good content in maths and science, as well as technical maths and technical sciences. Right, so we're looking at inequalities. We've got 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. So the first thing, whenever we are looking at inequalities, we need to identify what are critical values. So let's factorize. So that would be less than or equal to 0. I've got 2x. Okay, I've got x over here. Right, we want to create 5x. Okay, so that means I'm going to have 3 and 1 over there. Oops, I'm not sure what I just did there. That's going to be x minus 1. That's minus 3. So notice I'm going to have minus 2x minus 3x. Now, we've got our critical values, because if we were to solve this, we'd end up having x is equal to 3 over 2. We'd also have x is equal to 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on a number line, ladies and gents. Right. Remember, you start with a smaller number and then you end with the bigger number, right? Okay. So we've got x is equal to 1 and x is 3 over 2. So that's 1 and that's 3 over 2. And so I want you to note, we want where this graph is less than or equal to 0. So remember, in this case, you're looking at a parabola, okay, that has got x-intercepts. So this first x-intercept would be at 1. This one would be at 3 over 2, 1.5. So where is this graph? Where is this graph negative? It's over this region here, right? So this is between where x is equal to 1, okay, all the way till x is equal to 3 over 2. So you just simply say plus, minus, and plus. That's indicating that your parabola would be positive, right? So it's this area here. And then this portion is negative. It's this area over there. And the other area is positive. It's this area over here. Okay, right. So that is how you're going to have this. So now, when we give the answer, say x is an element of from 1 to 3 over 2. In fact, 1 should be included. 3 over 2 should be included. Alternatively, can say is less than or equal to 3 over 2, greater or equal to 1. And ladies and gents, that is how we will go about answering this question. Please note that it said less than or equal to, which means we are also including the values of x where y is 0. So that's why we included our critical values from 1 to 3 over 2. For now, ladies and gents, I'll see you when we do the next question. Sharp, sharp.